350 plus free tools to supercharge your startup growth. Are you a startup founder struggling to grow your business without breaking the bank? What if I told you that success could be just one click away? Finding the right tools can be time-consuming and expensive. Managing marketing, design, SEO, analytics, and automation feels overwhelming, right? That's why we created the 350 plus free tools and websites for startups guide, your ultimate toolkit to save time, cut costs, and scale your business fast. Marketing and SEO tools to boost traffic. Free design platforms to create logos and graphics effortlessly. Productivity tools to stay organized and automate tasks. Analytics platforms to track growth and performance. Unlike generic lists, this guide is handpicked for startups, tested and proven by entrepreneurs like you to deliver results. It's more than a guide, it's your roadmap to success with ready-to-use tools designed to supercharge your business without spending a dime. Don't let tight budgets slow you down. Get the 350 plus free tools and websites for startups guide now. Just click the link in the description below, or if the link isn't clickable, copy it and paste it into your browser. Get the 350 plus free tools and websites for startups guide now and start building smarter. Limited time offer, 50% off. Grab your guide before it's gone. Subscribe to Earn Talk for more tips, tools, and strategies to grow your business. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out.